Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another good one for you guys. We will be making creamy coconut Alfredo pasta. This is absolutely delicious. No whole milk, no heavy cream. This is just absolutely beautiful. The taste is just out of this world and I just can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. This was eaten at my Sunday dinner. I had that with some candied beets. Please check the link out for that. It is absolutely amazing. Some cornbread, cream spinach, and of course some salmon, some fried salmon. The link for those will be in the description box. So let's put this together. These are the list of our ingredients and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. So to my water, I'm adding some oil and salt. Bring that to a boil and I'm going to add my pasta here. Then I'm going to melt some salted butter on low heat and add some fresh diced garlic. And some flour. After about 2 minutes on low heat, I am going to add my coconut milk. And the one in the red box right there, that is the one I prefer. You're going to add the rest of your seasoning. Give that a good stir. Let it cook for like about 7 minutes until it actually thickens. You're going to taste and adjust your seasoning here. Now the cheese is optional. You really do not need the cheese, but for cheese lovers, yes, you can definitely go ahead and add the cheese here. It just intensifies the flavors, and there I just added some freshly grated Parmesan. Again, the cheese is not needed, but you definitely can add some. So then we are going to add our pasta and coat well. Look how creamy this sauce is, guys. You can actually eat this as is. So now I am going to pour this in a really good greased dish. Then we are going to bake in a 350 degrees oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And this is what it looks like, guys. This was eaten with some fried salmon, candied beets, cornbread, and cream spinach. Let's go ahead and make this fried salmon. So we're gonna mix our seasoning here to season our salmon. And not to worry, everything that I'm using here will be in the description box. We are going to flour the salmon first, and then we're going to place that into liquid there, the batter. Take every excess batter off, then we're going to add that to our seasoned breadcrumb. I just love the taste of breadcrumbs on my salmon. Right, we're going to season and let it rest for about a minute or two. And we are going to fry until it becomes nice and golden brown. This was absolutely delicious, guys. I did add a little bit of sauce on mine as well. That was some chili sauce. It was so beautiful. The meat was still soft and juicy and tender. So if you guys are new to my channel and you find this video helpful, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and comment. Please do not forget to check the link out for that amazing candied beets recipe you guys are going to fall in love with. So thank you all again for joining, and I see you all on the next video. Love you guys. Bye-bye.